Today I'm going to show you how to create dashboards in Jira. Alright, so on the left hand side you'll have this sidebar, and you can actually customize this if you do not see dashboards right over here. Now if you have spaces open and you've got lots of stuff going on here, you may miss this. It's underneath your spaces. Go ahead, click on this. You'll see as it drops down, you'll see all of your dashboards. And then you can go ahead, click on the three dots, you can hide it, or you can click on create new dashboard. So let's call this dashboard 1. You can give it an optional description. You can change the viewers over here from private to user, your organization, your group, or a specific space. And then we are going to go to editors. You can also change this. Now, what we need to do is click on Save on the bottom right-hand side. It says Dashboard 1 was successfully created. Now, you're not complete yet because you're looking at a dashboard that doesn't have any data in it. So quite simply, they have added 2 blocks over here, and all you need to do is click on Add a new widget, or look at the widgets or the gadgets on the right-hand side over here. So let's say you want a bubble chart. That looks fun. Click on it. Click on add, it'll be popped up in over here. Let's have a look at filter results. Let's add that in. It'll be added in right over here. You can actually use these 6 little dots over here, click down, move this about. You'll see that this is now displayed here. Quite simply, whatever else you would like to add in here, let's go ahead and click on add. All right. You may also be able to drag it across, but clicking add will just put it into the next default space. What else is nice is if you go ahead and click on it, you'll be able to minimize it. So it'll just look like that, like that, like that. You can also full screen it. Okay, so there we go. That's what that looks like. And then you can refresh it if you're having new data come in here. You can assign it different colors. And as you can see inside every one of these gadgets or widgets, you'll be able to change all of the properties. So over here, the work item statistics, you can see where it's coming from and so forth. You can see and customize what data you actually see now. And if you go close this, you'll have it now in full screen. You can click on done, and you'll be able to access this from wherever you need to, right over here on the left hand side.